Twinsies. Except I don't have docs on. Same jumper. Are you a twinsy too, or a triplet? No. Well, we've all got jeans on. Alright, so we just learnt the story behind the monument here in Union Square. It's where the original term sugar daddy comes from. The story behind there that you'll have to join boutique traveller tour to learn more about that story. I love finding out little things like that at places around the world, and phrases and words and the story behind where they come from. Very cool. The Apple building, there's glass windows and doors that open up. So Maiden Lane used to be the red light district before the earthquake in 1906. Yeah, we're walking through the Women's Gate into Chinatown. Okay, so now we're walking through the largest Chinatown in the world. I love Chinatown in San Francisco. It's always been my favourite Chinatown, and Michael's telling us some cool stories about street art and the history here. Yeah, so let's go and see what else we can find. I'm sure we're going to come back here during our stay to eat and enjoy all the wonderful dishes on offer here. Oh, look at these murals. Yeah. Salesforce building, the tallest in San Fran, and before that was the tallest. Or the pyramid was the Transamerica building.
Can't go to this one here. Financial building.
So in Chinatown, we're standing at Portsmouth Park, which was once the centre of San Francisco many, many years ago, when it was a cove, and just behind us here was actually the beachfront. And they filled all of that in with land for the gold rush period. And behind me is the flagpole where the Americans planted their flag when they took this area over from Mexico and made it part of America. Great piece of history right in the heart of Chinatown. So that's the end of Chinatown, Port Tower, is it? Fortune cookie messages going in the cookie, and then the mould. Alright, come to Ross Street. It used to be the most dangerous street in Chinatown, 1900 to 1920 because of the Tong Wars. You'd probably die if you walked down here. And now walk down here because you can see some fortune cookies being made and get some.
A close encounter of a surprising kind. What is that supposed to mean?
Close encounter of a surprising kind. Wow.
The chocolate is good.
What was your fortune, darling?
Good health will be yours for a long time.
We're going to have a Tong War over this. Let's go to Ross Street and battle it out. I want that good health. That's a good one, isn't it? You know why you're going to have good health? Because you have such a joyful spirit.
With headphones on, so it's me.
The year of the ball, that's Kalyra.
Because when I was born, it was also the year.
That's right. That was really cool. Kerouac Alley is where the west meets the east, where Chinatown meets Little Italy, and there's all murals along the side of the wall, and on the ground sayings from philosophers, so Confucius, and then works towards the beatniks, Maya Angelou, and then the bar where Jack Kerouac and the beatniks used to drink and hang out and write poetry and create that counterculture. So cool. Kerouac. The only Banksy painting in San Francisco. Alright, we're going to the local tip for coffee in Little Italy. Alright, thank you, Michael. We're now walking on the beachfront, the old beachfront. You can see the waves on the ground. So cool. How cool is this? Next to the Transamerica building is the only Redwood Forest, the only redwoods in the city. What a lovely place to come for your lunch break or to escape the madness of the city, although San Francisco's not too crazy. So lovely.
Just Chinatown. What's it called?
Almond brittle.
There's two flavors. There was sea salt and coffee base, and we like the coffee one better. Really good.
Delicious, isn't it? In the Ferry Building. This is where the bad prisoners went. 24 hours in the cell. the library. Dining hall. Okay, go.
There was actually 2 people that escaped.
Yeah.
No, there were 3 people that tried to escape, but 1 drowned and 2 made it. And they actually went. Yeah, so apparently the stories about how these people escaped the street
I
or
can't do
something.
baseball.
And they like
so the baseball is
climbed through the wall and up the pipes and got out. And then
I could
they
do
were
the football
swimming
line.
to San Francisco, and then one of them drowned.
Although
and two of them
the baseball,
swam,
yeah.
And then they ended up in Brazil. And
Is he going with a
then
bunch
they
of
don't know if they're still alive, but they were they beat 80 today. And apparently they were in Brazil. So
Awesome. Did you like Alcatraz?
yeah.
Scary for you, but you found it fascinating,
Yeah.
Kalyra. You're very involved in the audio tour.
The most part I was scared about was when we went there.
Yep.
On the boat, you didn't like the boat, yeah. Alright, we're at the big burger bar in Macy's.
Okay,
Now,
Rock, paper,
hotel from
scissors,
where we're at. And on our sightseeing pass, we include $30 to spend per person at the burger bar. So we thought, why not? We have the pass. And it's good that we have the pass because the burgers here are expensive. Let's see, hopefully they change
humongous milkshake shack.
They have humongous milkshakes, so they can share one.
Chocolate chip ice cream with marshmallows and M&M's the topping on Nutella sauce.
Alright, we'll show them when it comes out, hey? Right now they're eating their mini burgers and grilled cheese. The kids' meals are decently priced actually, $10, which is typical. Alright, I think our burgers are going to be great. They're going to be here in a minute. I'm excited.
I got my own burger.
Time for me to eat. I want. Hey, thanks for watching this video as we road trip across the USA. Be sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our next adventure. You can follow us on Instagram and Facebook at YTravelBlog to see our current adventures with Goldie and the Beast.